What's up, guys? My name is Olivia, also known as Jetlag Lib, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you've been here a while, you know I love doing luggage reviews as a full-time travel and lifestyle content creator. That's a pretty important component in my daily travels. There's a brand I've reviewed a couple times here on this channel. It's called Monos. Now, this video is in no way, shape, or form sponsored from Monos. I got this myself because I'm so curious as to what we have in store today. All right, I am reviewing a hybrid carry-on plus suitcase. What makes it hybrid? Not entirely sure. I think it is an aluminum polycarbonate, which is like a metal and a plastic combined into one suitcase. I've seen pictures of it, and upon further inspection, the website says it's indestructible. This is what we're gonna review today. One second. Whoops. Whoops. The hybrid carry-on plus. Yeah, so I threw it around. If I broke it already and it's not actually indestructible, we're gonna not really have a great video. But let's open it up. I actually ripped the tape throwing that box around. So let's actually open it. Let me see what is indestructible about it, if I really think it's going to be. And then I wanna just check the suitcase out and review it, see why the suitcase would be worth almost its $400 price tag. That's mental. But hey, if it's worth it, it might be worth it. Let's find out in today's video. Okay, like I said, I ripped the tape already, so we're starting to open her up. Again, this is the hybrid carry-on plus, and I got the color champagne, which I did a poll on Instagram. Everybody wanted to see the champagne, so that's what we're doing. Ooh, baby, so excited. Okay, it doesn't feel broken yet from me RKOing it. So, oh my God, wow. Wow, that's pretty. Oh my God, that's pretty. You guys. Holy smokes, it does feel different. You can see the sheen of this. Oh, this is too fancy for me, I feel. Oh my God. You guys, look at this puppy. Wow. I'm not gonna lie. First impressions, it does feel much sturdier than the carry-on plus, the limited edition carry-on plus I reviewed on this channel, and even the check-in large. This feels very, very sturdy. Okay, it is a little, you see me struggling here. It is a little heavy, I'm not gonna lie, but that might help in its durability, so let's see. Still plastic, the quad set of wheels that roll. They're those super quiet wheels. First impressions, it's so sleek. I love, these are the aluminum corners, which I guess corners are a big issue on suitcases. They must be, which is why they reinforce these with aluminum. And then if you turn it here, there are 2 TSA-approved locks instead of the traditional 1 plastic lock. I think these are plastic too, but they just feel sturdier. Maybe they're not. No, I think they are. But wow, check that out. And I love these little dots. It almost looks like a vintage suitcase, if you know what I mean. Like, it looks like a vintage style, which I am currently obsessed with. And then one of my, I know this may seem silly, but I love that the handle is the same color as the suitcase. You know what I mean? The other suitcases is just like black with a beautiful pattern, beautiful color, and it's just like black. But this is all the same color. Ooh, baby, first impressions are looking good. Let me shut up and open it. Come on, Olivia. All right, let's do it. Let's see. I'm gonna turn it so you guys can see. Way cool, way cool. So just as simple as that will impress me. All right, so as you saw, it comes with the dust cover, but like I said, let's open her up. Let's see what's inside. If there's anything different, I don't know versus the standard. Okay, so that releases the top part. Holy crap. Wow. Okay. Okay. Pause. This right here, this seal that seals to this is metal. This, I think, is metal. So this is the aluminum right here. There's no zipper. I didn't know that. I mean, these things threw me for a loop. So there's no zipper, which means there's no way for it to expand, because as you saw, I packed my carry-on plus, which is I'm gonna now say the basic bitch version of this guy. I packed that for 2 months abroad, and the zipper was like this, like fully stretched out to the max so that I could fit everything possible. I don't know that this will allow that, which could be good and bad. If you're worried about a zipper busting, which I never had an issue with, this might be a good solution, but it's nice. It's much different when you open it. The feeling, it feels rich, okay? I feel rich. And I'm not rich, it's just the hybrid suitcase effect. Look at this though, it's very nice. I'm gonna bring you guys in and show you everything so far looks like the typical, but let's see, because if there's one thing that's for sure, this bag is throwing me a couple surprises. Your usual, I think it's patented, their compression system. So it's just this big plain flap. Obviously lay this on top, however, mine's probably gonna be like way up here, but you'll wanna put it on top of what you're packing. And then you can clip these guys, and these extend either if it is up here like mine, and they just clip and you can release like that. So that is pretty much the same, and there's zippers on the compression thing itself. We've got an inside pocket here. And then up here, wow, guys, this is like, it's heavy. Like, it is heavy duty. It feels well made. It feels very, very well made. More so well made than the other suitcases I've seen from them. Yep, same space in here. This is the carry-on plus. I've had a lot of comments about if you can take it on most domestic flights, you can, and international flights, you can. I've had nothing but success packing my carry-on plus bags. I'm kind of just like, I'm at a loss for words. This is so much higher quality than the other one, the limited edition one, the Terrazzo, which is my favorite pattern. I'm super surprised. I thought it was gonna be like a ripoff. Like, I really did. I was like, $375 for what? You want my kidney too? No, like, but wow, it actually is so well made. And check this out, I just saw this. These 4 things, I think, oh, you guys are gonna love this. Let me actually show you on the ground. These are, I think, an extra way to protect your indestructible suitcase. Okay, first I wanna show you what it'll look like laying on the ground with its little like stilts to keep it protected. I think you'd want those getting scratched up versus this beautiful glistening suitcase, but let me see if it looks funky. I've never had a suitcase with stilts. So let's see. It's on its like stilts, which I think you can see there. Sorry, it is a bit dark, but yeah, it's not totally touching the ground. It's kind of free for all. Man, look at it shine in the sunlight. Oh! Another thing I did want to show you guys was the wheels. They are silent 360 wheels, which for me in a suitcase is a game changer. Like 2 wheels, we don't do 2 wheels anymore. We do 4 and they're 360. But let's crank the volume up and see if we can hear these silent wheels. You know what? Honestly, it kind of sounds like, it sounds like the ocean, the wheels. You can hear them and they're not completely silent, that's BS. But is anything really actually silent? I don't know, it's moving, so probably not. But wow. This, you know what? What if they put that it's indestructible because it's too damn pretty that nobody wants to put that to the test? I think that might be the case here. I think that might be what's happening with me. Oh, the case here, no pun intended. Even I think their Monos logo is elevated. Usually I think it's just black and white. But wow, let me grab my Terrazzo Carry-On Plus, make sure the sizes are exactly the same because this is supposed to be the same version, just hybrid. Metal, plastic instead of just plastic. Order. This is what I was talking about, the zipper difference right here and here. I mean, look at just how like fancy this one looks in comparison. I love you, Terrazzo, but dang, this is nice. This new one, so nice. Oh, jeez. I know I want to test if it's indestructible, but I'd like to do that over time. Maybe chuck it off the roof or something, and like, you know, at least let it be pretty for a little bit because there's no way that a scratch is not gonna get on this. I mean, it's aluminum. There's already maybe a little scuff right here, but I don't know, it could be something. But nonetheless, guys, this might be the prettiest suitcase. Definitely the prettiest suitcase I've ever had. Probably the prettiest suitcase I've ever seen. Alrighty, y'all. That is all I have for you in today's video. Me and Bae gonna be hanging out now. If you see us in the airport next week, say hi because we are heading on another adventure. I think I'm gonna bring her. I think I'll take her for a spin on the town. Yeah, she's fancy. Oh my gosh. Like, it's giving first class, although I've never flown first class in my life. Maybe I will now with this bag. Yeah, okay. Don't forget, of course, to subscribe and join the crew. We're having tons of travel reviews on here, travel adventures, and so much more. So I'd love for you to be a part of it. That's all I have for today's video. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.